Lab program number 2. Develop a program in C for the following operations on strings. A. Read main string, pattern string and replace string. B. Perform pattern matching operation. Find and replace all occurrences of PAT, that is pattern, in string main string str with replaceable string REP. If pattern exists in main string, report suitable messages. In case pattern does not exist in str, support the program with functions for each of the above operations. Don't use built-in functions. Here the program, we have to provide the main string as an input string, and pattern is also as an input string, and the string we are going to replace in place of pattern string. Three inputs we are going to provide from the keyboard. So we will see the execution here first. Main string is welcome NID. Welcome 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 RIT. This is the main string, that is str. Enter the pattern string, that we have to search the pattern from the main string. I am searching for the pattern RIT, and which string you are going to replace, that is NIT. The string before pattern match is welcome RIT. The string after pattern match is and replaces welcome NIT. This is the output we are getting if pattern is found in the main string. One more case is there, that is welcome RIT. NIT we are going to search. WIT is the replaceable string. So here before pattern match, so welcome RIT is the main string. Pattern string is not found. So here if pattern is not found, then we have to display the message pattern is not found. So this is what the program output. So we will see the execution of this particular program through the line by line, how the program execution is going to take place. Every program execution takes place from the main. So here we are declaring the strings. So 50 characters for main string and resultant string, because main string characters are going to be copied into resultant string, and pattern string we are going to specify the number of characters are 20 and replaceable also 20 characters. Here we are going to initialize the variables C, M and I, J to 0, as well as flag equal to 0. K value we are going to initialize later. So these variables play an important role in the pattern matching. And here we are defining a function, that is user defined function, that is string match. It is not going to return any value, so return type is void. The execution of program is going to take place from the main. Enter the main string. So main string, this message is going to be displayed on the screen, and user is going to provide the input welcome space RIT. So as you are going to see here, so this is This is the main string. As you are seeing here, this is main string. Welcome RIT character str15. So input is going to be retrieved and stored. The data is organized in memory location in sequential order. Zeroth location W character is stored, first location E, second location L, third location C, and so on. And the last character is, every string is terminated by null character. So 11th location character is null. So 0 to 11. This is the location of the input string. So the string is going to be terminated by null character. This is what character str. And in the similar way, enter the pattern string. So get s function is used to read the string from the keyboard, and that value is going to be stored in string PAT. And PAT also we are showing here, PAT pattern string. So we have entered pattern string as here, pattern string as RIT. So you are all seeing here pattern string is RIT. str is main string. This is welcome RIT, pattern is RIT, and replace string is that is NIT. So we are going to search this RIT in welcome RIT. Even there is a pattern identification from the main string, then RIT is going to be replaced by NIT. This is what we are going to do the process in this particular program. Now, after taking all the three input strings, next just we are printing the message before pattern matching. What is the main string str, that is welcome RIT, as we have seen in the earlier during the execution of the program. str is what welcome RIT, and here we are going to call the function string match. The control will go to this particular function. Now call is transferred to this particular function definition, and here we are going to use while, means we are going to retrieve each character. Now the function execution begins here. Now here we are going to use looping, that is while loop we are using in the program. So we are going to fetch each character from the main string. str of C is not equal to null till we are going to reach the last character of the main string. We are going to repeatedly execute this particular while statement. So here C value is what? C value is 0. C value is 0 means str of 0. What is str of 0? The str of 0 is 0th location character is W. W is the 0th location character here. So W is the character. W is not equal to null. So W and this null both are not same. Then the statement what we are going to use here is, the condition is true. W is not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Next, we are testing one more condition. String M double equal to pattern of I. So whatever the character we have retrieved, that character is going to be checked with the pattern string. Pattern may be present at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end. So we have to search for the pattern. So str of M, what is the M value? We have initialized M value to 0. So here we are taking I value 0, J value 0, K we will initialize later, and M and C value 0. This is what we have done in the program execution. So str of m, str of m is what? Str of 0. Zeroth location character is w, and pattern of I value is 0. Pattern of I means this pattern of 0, that is r. So whether r and w are same? No. Then the condition is not true here. This if part is not going to be executed. When the pattern is matched, then only this condition is going to become true. So till the pattern matches, this else part is going to be executed. The else part is what? Result of j is equal to str of c. So str of 0 is what? W. W is copied into resultant j. J we have already initialized to 0. So resultant j is resultant 0. This is resultant. This is resultant string. So here in this resultant string at 0th location, what we are going to copy is str of c, str of 0, that is w. W is going to be copied into this particular location, 0th location in resultant. Now after this, what we are going to do? J value and C value should be incremented. J is changed from J plus 1. J is changed to J is equal to J plus 1, and C is changed to C is equal to C plus 1. J value is 0. 0 is changed to 0 plus 1, 1. C is changed to C is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. C value 1 is copied into M. I value remains 0. So this is what we have shown in the program. Here in this uh, J value is going to become 1. M value is going to become 1. C value is going to become 1. But I will remain 0 only. This I will remain 0 only. Still we are not going to change this particular I value. I value remains 0. This is for the first execution, first character retrieval and comparison with the main string. After this, C value is going to become 1. Str of 1 is not equal to null. Str of 1 is E. E is the next character. So this next character E is not equal to null. This null. Yes, this is E is not equal to null. Condition is true. Once again, we are going to check one more condition. If str of m, what is m value? M value we have taken 1 here. Str of 1 double equal to pattern of I remains 0. Pattern of 0 is R. R and E, they are not same. R and E, they are not same. Then condition is becoming false. Control will be transferred to else. In the else part, same repeatedly we are going to execute because the pattern does not matches. Resultant J equal to str of C. C value is 1. Str of 1 is E. E is going to be copied into resultant J. J is 1. So now, as you are seeing here, so resultant 1 is getting the value from str of 1. Str of 1 is E. E is going to be copied into resultant. Now E is getting copied into this particular resultant string. After this, J plus plus C plus plus M is equal to C. J plus plus J value is changed from 1 to 2. C value is changed from 1 to 2. M is equal to C. C value is copied into M. This is what the lines of code is going to be executed. After this, once again the control comes to the while str of C not equal to null. What is C value? 2. str of 2. str of 2. This is str of 2. What is the str of 2 character? L. L is not equal to null. Condition is true. Then we have to check one more condition. Pattern of I and str of m. M value is 2. Str of m is str of 2, that is L. L double equal to pattern of 0. I value remains 0, pattern of I is 0. So here L and R, they are not same. Condition is going to become false. Control will go to else block. So in the else block, what is the same code we have written? Resultant J is equal to str of C. What is resultant J is equal to str of C? str of 2. str of 2 is L. L is going to be copied into resultant J. Resultant J. J is 2. 2 second location in resultant. L is copied. After that, we have to increment J value. J value is changed from 2 to 3. Yeah, C value is changed from 2 to 3. M is equal to C. C value is given to M. After this, control comes back to while str of C is not equal to null. Str of C is not equal to null means str of C value is 3. Str of 3 is C. C is not equal to null as condition is true. After this, we are going to test one more condition. Str of M double equal to pattern of I. Str of M is 3. Str of 3 is C. C whether it is double equal to R. Pattern of I remains 0. Pattern of I is 0, 0. Pattern of 0 is R. C and R, they are not same characters. So condition becomes false. Control is transferred to else block. In else block, we are going to execute the statements repeatedly. What are the statements we are going to execute? Resultant J is equal to str of C. What is str of C? 3. Third location, character is C. C is going to be copied into resultant. This resultant J. Resultant J value is what? 3. So resultant J, third location, the character is copied is C. After this, we have to increase J plus plus, C plus plus, M is equal to C. C value 4, 4 is copied into M. I is equal to 0. I remains 0. Here I remains 0. After this, control comes back to while str of C. C value C is 4. str of 4. What is str of 4? O. O is not equal to null. Yes, O is not equal to null. Condition is true. Now we will check one more condition. Str of M double equal to pattern of I. What is str of M? Str of M value is 4. Str of 4 is O. O, whether it is equal to this R, pattern of I is 0, 0, pattern of 0 is R. O and R are not same. Now condition is false. It will transfer to else block. In else block, the same set of code we are going to execute. Resultant J is equal to str of C. Resultant 4. J is 4. Resultant 4. Fourth location, what is the character we have to copy? str of 4. str of 4 is O. O is going to be copied into resultant J. After this, increase J value, increase C value, copy C value into M. Coming back to this main while. So while str of C is not equal to null, str of 5. str of 5 is what? M. M is not equal to null as condition is true. This M is compared with this R. str of 5, that is M double equal to pattern of 0, that is R. The condition is false. Control is transferred to else. In the else block, resultant j is equal to pattern str of c. Str of c value is what? C value is 5. Fifth location character m, that is copied into fifth location of resultant. Now m is also copied. After this, once again increment the value j value to 6, c value to 6, and copy c value into m. Here by mistake this came as a 7, actually this is 6 only, and 6 after 5, 6 it is going to become. While typing I made mistake. Now 6 is copied into m. After this I value remains 0. Control comes back to while, and while str of c is what? 7. Str of 7 is not equal to null. str of str of 6, str of 6, this c value is 6. str of 6, str of 6 is what? E. E is not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Next we will test one more condition. str of m double equal to pattern of I. E, if whether E equal to or no, control is transferred to else. In else, what is the thing we have to copy? Copy str of c into resultant. Sixth location we are going to copy E. After this, once again we have to increment c value to 6 to 7, j value 6 to 7, copy c value into m. After this, once again control is coming back to while str of c is not equal to null. str of c is 7. Seventh location character is what? Single space character here. There is no character. Space is the character. Now space empty character, that is part of the string. Now space is not equal to null. Condition is true. And one more condition, space is not equal to r here. Space is equal to r, no. Control is transferred to else. Resultant j is equal to str of c. str of c is space. Now resultant 7, here space is going to be copied into resultant string. After this, j plus plus, j value is incremented from 7 to 8, c value is incremented from 7 to 8, m is equal to c, that is m is getting value from c. After this, come back to while str of 8 not equal to null. What is str of 8? That is r. R is not equal to null. It is true. Go inside. We are checking. Now pattern recognition begins from this location. Now I value is going to be changed from this place. Now str of m. What is m? M is 8. str of 8 is r. Double equal to pattern of I is 0. Pattern of 0 is r. R and r both are matched here. Now condition is true. When condition is true, see here, str of m double equal to pattern of I. Condition is true. Now I value is increased from 0 to 1. Now you are all seeing here, I value is increased from 0 to 1. Now we are not going to increase c value, only m value we are going to increase here. M plus plus. What is the statement here? I plus plus and m plus plus. Now m is going to be increased here. M value is changed. I value is changed and m value is changed. Now m value is m plus plus. Earlier it was 8, now it is 9. After this, if pattern of I equal to null, whether pattern of I equal to null? No. Pattern of I is what? Pattern of 1. Pattern of 1. Pattern of 1 is what? I. I is not equal to null. Then this condition is not going to become true. When this condition is going to become true, then it will go inside, flag value is going to be changed, and we are going to replace the things. Right now, the condition is false. Then no need to be panic here. Here, this condition is not going to become true. After this, the control is transferred back to while. So while str of C remains 8 only. So str of C is str of 8. Str of 8 is not equal to null. Yes, condition is true. Condition is true means now it will check str of m with pattern of I. Str of m, what is the m value? M value is 9. Str of 9, what is str of 9? I. Now I is checked with pattern of I. What is I? I value is 1. Pattern of I is I. I and I both are matched. Both are matched means condition is true. When the condition is true, increase I value and M value. So we are going to increase I value to 2, M value to 10. After this, we are going to check pattern of I value is what now? I value is 2. Pattern of 2, that is T. Whether T is equal to null? No. T is not equal to null. Then condition becomes false. Control is coming back to while. STR of 8. What is STR of 8? R only. R is not equal to null. Condition is true. Go inside. Now, while str of m double equal to pattern of I, what is m value? Str of m is 10. Str of 10 is t. T is equal to pattern of 2. Pattern of 2 is t. T equal to t. Condition is true. Condition is true means now what we are doing? Increase m value. Increase I value. After that, pattern of I we are checking. Pattern of I is what? Pattern of 3. It is equal to null. Yes, condition is true. Now it is matching. Condition has become true now. Now condition has become true means here it will go inside this particular if statement. Now flag value is going to be changed. Why flag value is going to be changed means now pattern is found. Now complete pattern is going to be replaced by new pattern. That should be done here in this looping statement. Now flag is equal to 1. Flag value remains 1 here. For flag is used to test whether the pattern is found or not. Now k value we are going to take, k value is initialized to 0 as we have shown here. K value is 0 here. So it remains 0. Now from 0, k value is 0. Now k value is 0. Yes, we are initializing k value. Replaceable 0 is not equal to null. Now replaceable, there is one more string. This is REP. This is replaceable string. Replaceable 0. Replaceable 0 is what? N. So this is not equal to null means these characters are going to be inserted. Replaceable 0 is not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Resultant J is equal to replaceable K. What is K? 0. Zeroth location replace what is the character N? N is copied into resultant J. What is J value? You need to track. J value is 8. J value is what? 8. So we have not updated after that. J value is 8. Now, 8th location. Here, 8th location resultant 8. N is going to be inserted. Replaceable 0 means N. N is copied into resultant J. 8th location N is inserted. After this, control comes back to loop. K value and J value are going to be increased. K and J values are increased means what is K value? Earlier it is 0, now it is changed to 1. J value earlier it is 8, now it is changed to 9. Both are changed respectively 8 and 9, 8 to 9 and 0 to 1. After that it will check replaceable K not equal to null. What is replaceable K? K is 1. Replaceable 1 is I. I is not equal to null. Yes, I is not equal to null. It is true. I is going to be replaced here. I is going to be replaced into resultant. So resultant J value is 9. No, ninth location I is going to be inserted. After that K plus plus and J plus plus. J is changed from 9 to 10. K is changed from 1 to 2. Replaceable 2 is not equal to null. Replaceable 2 is T. T is not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Go inside. Resultant J is equal to replaceable K. Replaceable 2, T is there. T is going to be copied into resultant J. J is what? 10. So 10th location. 10th location T is copied. After that K plus plus and J plus plus. J is changed from 10 to 11. K is changed from 2 to 3. Now replaceable replaceable 3 is not equal to null. No, is equal to null. Condition becomes false. It will come out of this loop. Next, what we are going to do is we are initializing I value to 0. After this, I value is going to become here I value is equal to 0 and C is equal to M. C is getting value from M. M value is 11. Now C value is going to become 11. After this if part execution will be completed. This if is also completed. It will come back to this particular while str of C. What is str of C? C is 11. Now str of 11. What is str of 11? Null. You are testing here str of 11. That is null is not equal to null. Condition becomes false. It will come out of this particular loop. Now, resultant J is equal to null. What is resultant J? Last J value is 11. 11th location we are going to insert null character because every string is going to be terminated by null character. Now J that is equal to null. 11th location character is null. After this, control is transferred to the main program. So string match execution is completed. Flag value is now, it is changed from 0 to at the 0 at the beginning, and once the pattern is found, and it is replaced, flag value is going to be changed to 1. Now flag value is 1, pattern match and replace is RES. Resultant string is welcome NID. If it never satisfied this particular condition, pattern of I double equal to null, it will not enter into this, then flag will remain 0. 0 means else part, pattern string is not found. This code is going to be executed. This is what another message.